How to convert 0.125 to fraction in simplest form. So we need numerator and denominator. For numerator, just keep this decimal, write the number you are getting, and for denominator, for every digit after decimal you have to consider 10. Here we have 3 digit after decimal, right here 310, of course as a multiplication. Now we need to simplify this fraction. How to do that? To simplify this fraction in one step, we need to divide numerator and denominator by the greatest common factor or greatest common divisor. But if you want to simplify this fraction in multi-step, then you need to divide numerator and denominator by the common factor. Look, this is divisible by 5 as it has 5 at the last. This is divisible by 5 as the digit 0 at the end. So if you divide this by 5, you will get 2. If you divide this by 5, you will get 5 goes into 12 2 times, then subtract 2, 25 5 times. Okay. Again, this is divisible by 5, this is divisible by 5. You will get here 5. Again, this is divisible by 5, you will get 1. This is divisible by 5, you will get 2. So basically, you are getting 1 over 2 times 2, 4, 4 times 2, 8. There is no common factor between 1 and 8 without 1. So we can say that this is the simplest form, lowest term or reduced form.